So this was the project that we were supposed to be working on yesterday, our pantry. However, we got really busy and tied up with work, so we didn't get a chance to do it. As you guys can see, we have containers and everything. We have it set up. It's just over time, it's just then got just out of control. So right here, it's funny because this is where our water's supposed to be. But look at our water. It's down here. Lunch kits just left. Libby's stool. We have our door wreath that we use. We have these chips that we accidentally picked up at Aldi, which are not vegan. And so they have a policy where you can't return anything. So they're just here. So we need to get it together, and we will. Looking forward to showing you the final outcome soon. Alrighty, so done with school stuff for right now. So I'm about to get started. I think I'm going to begin by pulling everything out, at least everything on my level anyway, where I have to have Babe help me because he's in the shower. So wish me God's blessings. Hopefully it won't take me no more than like an hour and a half or so. Hopefully less. All right. Guys, look at my little comrade. Decided to come join mommy. I asked her a moment ago. She was like, in a minute, mama.
It's been a minute.
Yeah, it's been a minute. So as you guys can see, I'm not even going to show y'all this side. It's just too much junk, even though you've seen it already. But we've cleared out this part. What you reaching for, beautiful?
We clean all that.
Yeah, we are.
Yay!
Anyway, so we're about to clean some more, okay? Okay, so I figured I'd just go ahead and show you guys. This is a lot of the stuff that I've removed from the pantry. And these containers right here, you guys, we got these from Dollar Tree. These, I want to say Dollar Tree too. See, like these need to be cleaned out. Look, debris and all sorts of stuff. And then these containers right here, I really don't remember where we got these from. I don't think it was Dollar Tree. Maybe Five Below. I think Five Below, I think is where we got this from. I think so, yeah. So anyway, things like this, we got these from Marshalls, or like Home Goods, I remember. Excuse me. We have our little Lazy Susan. And then these containers, I definitely remember came from Tuesday Morning. So we have, where are the other ones? I don't see. We had the big, oh, they're right here. These are here, y'all. This is our snack container, by the way. Definitely needs to be cleaned out. Got those from Tuesday Morning. Anything else in here? More Dollar Tree. These right here, probably Ross or something, somewhere inexpensive. So anyway, let me stop talking and let me do more work. I'll check back in a moment. All right, you guys. So this is our normal like sandwich bag, foil, whatever type of drawer. This is a receipt from the last time we went shopping. We always hold on to it at least like a week or so before we toss it. Anyway, so I had all of these items right here. I had them in one of these containers. I don't know why. I have no idea. But this was empty except for a, what do you call this? Except for a table, what is it called? A table mat that's in here. So I was like, duh, Amber, go ahead and put that inside. So I have these two drawers that are done. They have nothing to do with the pantry, but at least stuff is put up. Something that's super interesting. I have yet to really do any real work. Just pulling everything up out of here has gotten me tired, y'all. As you can see, most of the stuff is out. I just have a few more things really at the top. But I'm already tired. Y'all pray for me. Okay, I got everything out except for what's at the top because I'm going to have Babe get that for me. But I'm going to start wiping down everything. Wiping all these little shelves or whatever down. And then Lord knows I have to wipe down. It is so dirty in here. I have to wipe down the yes, beautiful. The containers, y'all, they have like stuff all in it. Let me wipe this. Look, it's like stuff gets caught up in here. I'm gonna wipe that on out. Okay, so here's one of my favorite cleaners. You can get it at Sprouts, and it is a natural cleaner. So I went through with a disinfectant wipe and got like a lot of the food and stuff that's like inside of like these little parts right here. So I'm about to just wipe down everything, give it a little fresh smell, and then I am going to little by little start tackling all of this. It's some over there too on the table, some on this side as well. So, all right.
Can I eat the candy thingy?
I have to check and see. I'm not sure if it's appropriate. You hear me? Be careful. You can say hi. You want to say hi? You guys, the Lord just gave me like the best ideas. So we have this like, you know, kind of portable lazy Susan type of deal that we would use for our spices. But instead of me just using it for the spices, I think I'm going to put canned goods on here because I don't buy a lot of canned goods at all. And I'm going to use one of the shelvings for the spices. I'm going to try it out. Can't wait to show y'all. Who's here with me?
I thought we were taking a picture. Hi.
Really, babe? No, thank you. So my babe took all the stuff at the top for me. He's about to run some errands for us. So I wanted to go, but I still got all this mess.
Oh, well, it's all right. I'll take care of business. Just going to donate some stuff to Goodwill.
Yeah,
Oh.
You have anything you want to say, babe?
Nothing that is appropriate for Instagram stories.
Hey, you guys, so my babe is headed out to go run errands for us. Just want to let you guys see so far what I have done. These are for like snack chips, stuff like that. As you can see right now, let's see what do we have in here. We have some tortilla chips, kettle chips, and some plantain chips. So obviously all of these aren't going to have chips in it, but they're there for that reason. I need to get up there and get that. That's from the reef that babe took down. But look, we have our water here. This is how we used to have it. Got all of our spices where the cans used to be, stuff like this, and our agave. So everything's looking pretty good. So I have done a lot by the grace of God. I move things around so differently than they were before. So we used to share snack containers, but now this is Libby's, this is mine, and this is going to be my love's. So we'll put his there. So I'm about to start putting more things inside, and then I'll have the final reveal soon. Alrighty, finally done with our pantry. What do you think, babe?
It looks good. Very organized and very nice.
Thank you. And when babe returned, he brought some of our little snacks. Like I said before, this is Libby. This will be me right here. And then this is babe. And we need to go grocery shopping. He just brought a few things, but this is it. Let me pull back a little bit. So we have this side right here. Turn this way. Then we have like middle, and then right here to the left. And then my babe blessed us with this door hanger because I needed one for our aprons. So I'm very happy with how everything looks. And my goal is to keep it this way. And I know that we will all work hard to keep it nice and tidy.
Oh, yes, of course.
Like we had before. Hush, babe. Hush, hush, and more hush. Okay, let me just come inside a little bit. You can see everything.
I don't want to go hook on this beat.
Really, babe?
Is that recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is Libby's stool. This is the only thing that is covering our floor in here. All right, y'all have a blessed night.